northern suburbs, Mandurah, the southwest, Great Southern and parts of the Wheatbelt. The Weather Bureau says the wild weather could damage homes and property. A cold front approaching from the southwest is likely to produce gusty showers and storms.
So, about to do the Quinninup Falls walk this morning. Beautiful day.
Got marshmallows?
Yeah, we've got marshmallows. We've got marshmallows, so...
And food?
Yep, and what else? Have we got water?
Yeah.
Yep, right. So yeah, here we go. Off to Quinninup Falls. Made it. Quinninup Falls, everyone. Such an awesome spot. Easy walk in, kid friendly, and just, yeah, highly recommend it. Especially, what do you like most about it?
The hundreds and thousands of apples.
Yeah. So we came down this hill behind us on the way down. Pretty easy walking down. Now we've got to walk up the hill. It's a little bit warmer, a few flies, and Zoe's going to let us know how much she's looking forward to walking up that hill. How much, Zoe?
I do not want to walk up that hill.
There you go, guys. If that's not enthusiasm personified, nothing is. I know, what do you reckon it's from? All the kids doing wheeze? From the sun? So a bit of a slow day today. Had a lot of rainfall last night. Camp held up fairly well. Expecting 60 km/h winds this afternoon and this evening, which should be interesting. Just doing a bit of housekeeping, cooking up some lunch and dinner for the next day or two. Just making the most of the downtime really. And as always, hoping for offshore winds. Crossed, this isn't the storm of the century. So just had a quick look at one of the spots nearby. Looked like there might be a bit of an offshore window. Unfortunately not, it's pretty horrible, and it looks like onshore for about the next 5 or 6 days, but anything can change. Here's hoping.